Well, saving money on things you're already buying, pretty good. Pretty good deal. 1997 a month. Can you save more than a $20 bill on things you're already buying? Faith, do you know how to, I guess, click a button that says My Deals and you can kind of search around? Yeah, both. All right, faith is always important in a lot of things. That's for sure. I think half of our life is based upon faith in something, right? But for 20 bucks, do you have faith? Okay. If you join Save Club, you spend that 1997. Do you have faith that in 30 days, will you, and please don't go out of your way trying to buy something so you can save 50 bucks on something that you really were never going to buy. You don't have to fake it to make it with Save Club. So if you join as an affiliate and you want to just tell people, hey, I saved 50 to 100 bucks on something, please make sure it's something you're already going to buy, because it'll make your belief system and your faith in Save Club even better. People will be able to feel it through your video, or if you're emailing or inboxing, or maybe just chatting about it in person. It really is exciting. And it's just smart to save on things you're already going to buy. Now, I also always say on things you're going to buy in the future, because now that it's summer, I'm producing this at the end of May. And here in America, summertime starts, I think, June 20th. But it's already nice and warm almost all over America right now. So people are getting out and hiking, biking, fishing, boating, and obviously going on vacation, flying somewhere. It could be a cruise. If you're in America, everyone's heard of Disneyland and all these other places where you just fly somewhere, stay somewhere, eat, drink, be merry. And this is stuff you might be doing in the future. You might be doing it, tomorrow? But on things, and this is what my favorite part about Save Club. If I'm going to go eat somewhere and you can just save $5, just save the $5. Is it earth shattering? Just crazy amounts where you can say, oh my God, I saved $500. Well, you know what? There's things like going to Ford dealerships and some other high ticket purchases where if you do buy a vehicle, why not go into Save Club and just see what pops up? With my scenario, I'm saving so much for the month is because, and I don't buy this every month. I had to buy 5 tires for my Hummer and 6 tires for my crew cab dually, or my extra cab dually. And I had to buy these darn things anyway. I just want my tires to look good. Right now, I could have probably went another summer and not really put tires on it. But when you drive somewhere and you have bald tires, you look like a tight ass. Yeah, it's embarrassing. I don't like that. So when I was looking at my truck the other day, I go, I got to get 6 tires. That way they look fresh and they'll last for years and years, because I really don't drive that much on this particular truck. But I'm going to buy those darn tires anyway. And when I went to Discount Tire and just showed the screen, and they popped up and they even gave me a couple bucks off, just more savings. And I don't know if I got the preferential treatment because I've been going to this darn store for 500 years, but it's nice. And maybe you can go to a business, and if it says you're going to save $5 to $10, maybe you can save 15 to 20. And when you have like a purple mattress, something that's a little more expensive, it could be a couch. Go to Walmart, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot. I'm speaking mostly here in America where I'm at, but once June 1st, which is just a couple days away, and over the next 2, 3, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, we're going to have tens of thousands of deals. And we're going to start going Canada, Mexico, all over the world. And probably, I'd say I'm going to do a video in about 1 year from today. And I'll probably say we're in 200 countries and we have darn near 1 million deals. Just sitting there, all you got to do is go in your search, put in your area code, wherever you're at, or your zip code. And I just live in Salt Lake, so I just put in 84124, I think I put in, and searched around, and there's local businesses and just massive businesses. Why not save if you can? I agree with you if you say, God, it's kind of a pain in the butt. It's like a coupon. Like you want to use your coupon, but you left it in your kitchen drawer by the knives and spoons and forks. I get it. But I think in this case, the whole world runs on cell phone city. We're texting, we're yakking, we're social mediaing. And the nice thing about Save Club is it's all designed for the cell phone. We will have an app soon, but we don't even need it. You just log in online, saveclub.com, and go into the My Deals tab. It's just as easy as can be. I don't know how an app is even going to make it easier, but if you go online and do it, it's just as easy. And if you forget your coupon, I don't think you're going to probably forget your phone. In my opinion, I think most people, no, you're going to probably have a dead battery now and then, or maybe you do leave it, but it's very rare. Most people have the plug-in in the car here at my office, and boy, these things are addicting. Isn't it funny how our lives are just dramatically over with if we do not have a cell phone? Okay. But with Save Club, we are online. We're on your computer. And if you're a little old school where it might help you remember to use your coupon, you can download any of our deals. If you have just your home computer hooked up to your laptop or home computer, obviously, just hit print, get that coupon in your hand. And I'm kind of that way. I do like coupons. Back in the day, I used to get the Sunday paper, which is like that thick, and half of them are coupons. And I'd cut all the coupons out, and I'd forget I even owned 90% of those little coupons. I owned them. Man, I paid like 50 cents for the paper. I kept that many coupons for years. And when I went to go use them, they expired 2 years before. So, and I think most people are like that when it comes to coupon. But Groupon and online savings, it's addicting. And if you're at a restaurant, it's almost fun like a game. Like, well, let's see if we can save. Type it in. And if it goes, hey, 10% off your meal, and my God, if you have your whole family with you, and let's say it's $100, why not save 10? And that 10, you need to properly give a tip, hopefully, if you have, obviously, a waitress or somebody helping you out. But do you have faith? Do you have faith that that $20, and we're not saying $200 or $2,000, because that's a lot of money. $20 is a lot of money. But you don't want to feel like a sucker, like, okay, I spent $20 and there's just nothing there for me. You got to at least try. Especially if you're watching me in America. Now, most of the people that signed up in my group are from America. So we're kind of lucky right now during pre-launch because we have thousands of deals already available. So if you're in Canada or across the ocean at the UK or maybe over in Asian, African areas, it's going to take a little bit. But still, get in now as an affiliate. Spend the $60 and let's get you in the matrix, in the team, in the group. And let's get tens of thousands, if not 1 million people signed up after you, not before. Because you never know if a maniac like me is going to somehow sign up underneath you. Because if I sign up in 2 or 3 months, there could be thousands of affiliates out there just posting something. And if I see that ad, boom, I might join. And there's always people that just quit. They're like, I'm just not really into Save Club. They quit. And the nice thing about a downline is it can move up and just get into a nice, sweet position. And if you can get a couple people that really love Save Club as an affiliate, it's a good thing. The guy that I signed up underneath, he's very happy with me. And I'm in other businesses with him as well. And he knows that I'm pretty darn good at this. And everything I do, I make video about. I don't have any secrets. I know that when people meet me, they're like, my God, even on Facebook, everything you do from where you're going, what you're doing on a personal level, car shows you're doing, your radio station, Save Club, I mix it all together. I want you to see that I have a life outside of just asking you to kindly click something and maybe join something. All right, make money, make money. We all want to make money. But if you know or like or trust me, I think that really gives me an advantage. That's why I highly suggest trying video. But in my group, my team, we have videos for you already made. So use them. And if you get comfortable doing this, all right, get a $10 shirt. Get $10 weird glasses at Walmart. All right, I got my hat with my Rockin' Hot Rod Productions company. All right, I got this hat for free, but it probably costs like $8, $10 to make. But yeah, you don't have to dress up too much. You can sit behind your steering wheel in your car in the garage. Most people, when you try video, you're kind of embarrassed about your voice. I've been outside for 2 straight days in the 80, 90 degree weather, so I look like barbecue sauce Cory face here. But I always look like this. But I don't care, guys. You know, I love M&Ms. I'm not going to change my background. I'm not going to try to be someone that I'm not. If you meet me in person, I do change my clothes. Yes, I shower and brush my teeth, but I don't really change much as far as personality and my attire. No one ever accused me of being a fashionista. Is that where you're real fashionable? Well, if you like M&Ms and toys and Hot Wheels and Kiss, call me crazy. But I love to just relax and just tell you guys about Save Club, how to save, examples of my savings. But I want you to be an affiliate. I want you to earn money with me. Because if I help you make money, I make money. And if I make a little bit too much, the spillover could go into your pocket. And it really adds up over years and years. But you got to have faith and just do that $20. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's 3 more 20s. So for $60 affiliate, $20 minus 3 pennies, $19.97. Okay, so stay with me. $80 minus 3 pennies. You are an affiliate and a member, and the next month we can just relax a little bit. I'll show you how I email, how I inbox, my funnel system, my group. I want you in both of our Facebook groups. I want you to have free pictures, free banners for social media, free videos. I want you to have everything right now already done for you. And then we'll figure out what's best for you, either day by day or week by week or month by month. But usually people in my team, within 30 days, they find something they're real comfortable with and they're not embarrassed and they get real good at that one thing, which could be emailing or maybe just posting on social media, but not their face in their video or not on video, but they can take our materials. You can take our materials and then go into our Facebook group and meet people worldwide. We got by far the biggest Facebook group. We have by far the biggest team that helps each other, mostly free. The only thing that costs $25 is our funnel. And right now I've signed up another 11, 12, 13 people over the last, I think, 6 days. And I just use the funnel because it just does everything for me. And I have not even been able to be at my computer for the last 2 days. This is my first video over the Memorial Day weekend. I was super busy, just cemeteries, visiting my family, and doing just beautiful car shows and just having nice dinners afterwards. And I sat down this morning, and thanks to my funnel system, I was able to pull in, I think I did $320. And it was a bunch of $20 bills because when people join and we all take care of each other, I get $20. And I think it had 5, 15, 16. I think I signed up 17 people in my funnel system. And you know what's nice about that? Because right now I have about $600 to $800 of earned money through my funnel system. That money is next month and next month because it's recurring. And as long as people sign up in my funnel and have a good experience and we just update it and make it even easier so people can use the funnel for $25 and get more people to sign up, it makes my income go from already $800 as I sit here May 27th. I think by June 27th, I'm probably going to sign up another 30 to 40 people in my funnel system. And that should put me at $1,000 to $2,000 of just nice recurring income. And I show you what I do. You show your downline, and we just take care of each other. I think, you can try this on your own, but I highly suggest that you join a team. And you join a team that's pretty darn good at what, and I consider myself pretty darn good at what I do at this time. And I want you to just take my advice, and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to try the funnel. I just show you what I do for free via email. And if it works for you, great. And if you have some ideas, let me know. I'll make a video about it. I can make videos like in my sleep. So if my team goes, hey, Cory, what about this? I make a video. Then I blast it out to their email address. Like the other day, how old do you have to be to join Save Club? 18 and 1 minute old. Boom, I made a video, blasted it out. And then another person, do we take crypto or a form of Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah? And I go, yeah, guys, we have e-wallet. We have iPayout. They take however, let's say cash, turn it to crypto. That way, anyone from China to Australia, right here into America, cryptocurrency is a real currency. This is not an investment of crypto. This is where, yes, you can just use crypto if you'd like. Most people in America, we just do our Visa, debit card to our bank. But there's a lot of countries out there, and you might be one of them, that just don't have banks on every corner. And you're like, I'd just rather go online, open up e-wallet, open up iPayout, and just pay that way. And we do it because this is a worldwide thing. Like I said, in a year, 200 countries, we're going to have millions of deals worldwide. This is like Groupon on nitromethane, but there's an affiliate side where for those $3 $20 bills, you can start earning money. So let's do it. I know you can do it. I just know you can do this. And just follow instruction. And then after you get some bucks coming in and getting good at what maybe we help you learn or do, then come up with your own take on things. And in the next 3 to 6 months, you'll probably just go, God, I really got this down. And then you'll realize all you're doing is inviting people to click a link, watch a short video, and then it's up to you. It's up to them. Do you want to be a member? Do you want to be an affiliate and earn money too? Or do you want to just say adios, vamos? Okay, let me show you my links. It's so easy, guys. I know you can do this. ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to watch this first, and then I want you to go to Save Club Funnels. Both will lead you to where you can join Save Club or just get more information. The funnel system just does it a little slower, and it has more information for those people that just need a little bit more information. So the funnel system shows examples, explains the comp plan, and that's why I'm so successful. I think that people just like you want to just relax a little bit and for 20 minutes, sit down and say, okay, I think I like this. And then you just follow the link, sign up. I'm going to find out, and then I'll email you exactly what I do. I'm going to invite you to our Facebook groups and show you where you can get free pictures, free banners, free video, and I'll help you as much as I can. And like I said, if you make more money, I will. That's why I think you'll totally agree that yes, if I help you, I can make a little extra money. Great. So if you sign up people, help them, because it'll help you make more money. But guess what? With this pay plan right now, I'm at 5 levels deep. So if I can help you sign someone up and them sign someone up and so on, I'm going to help your group and their group and their group, because I will make more money. I have faith in myself that if I can earn more money, that I will help you. It's not even faith. I know. Just stamp it. Boom. I will help you. Okay. Go to those 2 links. Have a good day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it in that order. Maybe have a good day first. Everyone ends with a good day. Like, you know what? Have a good day in the morning. And then go ahead and follow through and watch those links. And let's get you in Save Club so you save money for real on things you're already buying. But let's earn some money for you too as an affiliate, okay? Thanks for your time and subscribing and watching my videos. And I hope you join Save Club. Have some faith, guys. Okay, have a good day. Bye.